How do I stop the blinking on my Xbox 360 controller?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common problem with Xbox 360 controllers, the blinking light. The blinking light on your controller usually means it's trying to connect to the console, but for some reason, it isn't able to. In this video, we will walk you through how to stop the blinking and get your controller connected properly.
What causes the blinking?
The blinking light on your Xbox 360 controller is a sign that your controller is trying to sync with the console. This usually happens when you start up the controller or when the connection between the console and the controller gets interrupted. If the light continues to blink and never goes solid, it means the controller isn't able to establish a connection.
How to resync the controller?
Now that we know what causes the blinking, let's look at how to fix it. Here are the steps to resync your controller. 1. Press the Guide button in the center of your Xbox 360 controller to turn it on. 2. Press the Connect button on the Xbox console. This small button is located on the front of the console, next to the memory card slots, on the original model, or below the power button, on the Xbox 360S or E models. 3. Press the Connect button on the controller. You can find this small button on the top of the controller, between the left bumper button and the charging port. 4. Wait for the controller's lights to go solid. This indicates that the controller has successfully synced with the console.
What if resyncing doesn't work?
If the light on your controller continues to blink after attempting to resync, there might be a problem with the controller or the console. Here are a few other things you can try. Try changing the batteries or recharge the battery pack. Sometimes, low battery power can prevent a controller from connecting properly. Try another controller. If a different controller connects properly, the problem might be with your controller. Try syncing your controller with a different console. If the controller connects with a different console, there might be an issue with your Xbox 360 console. Try resetting your console. To do this, you simply turn off the console, unplug it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This will clear any temporary issues that may be causing connection problems. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the reasons behind the blinking light on your Xbox 360 controller and how to stop it. By following these steps, you should be able to establish a stable connection between your Xbox 360 controller and console. Remember, if these steps don't resolve the issue, it's possible there might be a hardware problem with your controller or console. In this case, you may want to contact Xbox support or consider getting your hardware repaired or replaced. Happy gaming!